Hi, hello friends. I am explaining you how to achieve ESXi 7.0 host lab and login with web console. Uh, this is we requirement. We have to need minimum 4 to 8 GB RAM with your laptop. 100 GB hard disk space is a mandatory. 40 GB VMware ESXi host will be activated. You have to download ESXi 7.0. Yes, boss. If you don't know how to download these images, I done one video about this how to create a VMware official account and download free ISO images into VMware account. First of all, you have to go file. I am going to new visual mission and go to custom advanced and go to next. I'm selecting ESXi 6.5. Object compatibility showing only 6.5. Not an issue. Thirdly, I am selecting for the VMware file ESXi file. I am go to select on this. And thirdly, you have to go next. Click VMware ESXi. Select the guest operating system VMware ESXi. Next, we have to mention visual mission name ESXi 7.0, sorry. And thirdly, sorry, we have to select the exact location to path. I'm selecting some path, desktop only. I have to some folder to and okay. And third, go to next. Its compatibility of the process configuration. New visual mission wizard processor configuration specify the number of processors for this visual mission. Process will be taken 3. It will be automatically recommended. Total number of cores as per processor 1. Total processor cores 2. And I am giving to RAM memory for this visual mission. I am given 5 GB of the RAM. Actually, I am using 8 GB RAM. First of all, I am giving this RAM for the we have to complete to achieve this visual mission install into our VMware Workstation Pro. I will let you know after completing on this lab. I am going to recommending options giving and yes, I told you before maximum disk size 40 GB required. If your wish store single disk like a single file or your wish so one select the disk file where you would like to store the disk file. If you have what do you mean on this if you require you have to copy and paste and do open this VM anywhere on VMDK format. This is totally ready to create visualization. What we have given, we have to confirm ESXi name, ESXi 7.0, location C drive, version 6.5, but I am using VMware image 7.0, hard disk 40 GB. I am given memory 5 GB of the RAM, network NAT, processor 2 CPU cores, and finish. And I'm going to switch on this power on this visual mission. The visual mission going to power on currently. It will be take some time to boot total things done. First of all, I am selecting 7.0 standard installer. your keyboard will be not work, you have to click Control Alt. The process will be going on loading ESXi everything. It will be take some time, minimum 10 to 15 minutes. Actually, my RAM and processor are physically we are very comfortable. That's why this progress will be finished within some minutes. Actually, it will be take some time. Why? Because this is a bare metal OS. That's why. Yes, the kernel will be loading. The process will be start automatically. Don't worry. Yes, here going initialization. Actually, I'm told you before, VMware ESXi 7.0.0 vkernel released build version. VMware Visual Platform. I am using AMD Random HD graphics 5 GB. I am given 5.7 GB of the RAM on this VM. After completion, I have to review. I am giving 4 GB to 3 GB RAM. Once it will be completed, after we have to change our needed. the total process will be completion after the VM will be restarting automatically. After completion, it will be going to I am going to show you how to start this. First of all, you have to cross check your network adapter what we are given, automatic adapter given. First of all, go to VM networks. You have to change settings. Click X. The initialization visual networks loading, network configuration. Automatic actually the EC bridge going on. Automatic IP version will be assigning. Click OK. Later on you have to start your visual mission. Total process will be take some time. I am given automatic settings. Yes, it will be total progress will be completed. Now it's going to on live. The on live our VMware ESX 7.0. Now I'm showing you how to what's exactly needed, how to we have to give the networking concepts, what exactly here. Total task is completed. Yes. This is automatically assigning. Just I will show you. I am enabling zoom option. On my PC. This is the total thing. This is managing. To manage this host, to go to using 192.168.255.55. Actually, how to it configures, I am given automatic things on this. What exactly will be go, what how to do, how to log in. Now I'm going to show you. Yes, just a moment. I am clicking F2 after I want to. I'm given root and root ticket 1, 2, 3. The options will be show. Yes, these are the settings of the complete password. Lockdown mode, control load. Sorry. And this is a network management of this VM. And thirdly, it's a restart the management network, test the management network, and we have to cross check. We have to watch exactly. It's automatically assigning IP. We have to cross check automatic test the management. First of all, you have to go enter on the pinging the address. It's okay, and secondly, we have to cross check the pinging status. Okay, not an issue. Reserving host name okay, pinging address is okay. Okay. Escape. First of all, we have to go login this IP 192.168.255.55. I'm using Mozilla Firefox. Not responding. Yes, responding. First of all, you have to 192.168.255. Just to have to cross check what I exactly mentioned. 192.168. Sorry. Okay. 225.55. We have to click enter. Yes, exactly. It's going to into the VMware ESXi host currently. You know that if you of any network if you connect to this network any laptop or any, you have to log in on the same network. You have to go, yes, the process will be completed. I'm going to root, sorry, root. I'm giving the password also. Root update 1 2 3 login. The progress will be going. Yes, finally we achieved this VMware ESXi. We have to manage this all the things. I will show you on next video. Finally we achieved this domain controller of the local host. This is a free tier, so one day will be there, local host. There are some options are there, hardware, event, licensing, packages, services, equipment. At the present I am logging with that root account. This is the main account of this ESXi. Visual mission, storage, networking. Yeah. This is event system settings, auto start, snapping, time and date, hardware, licensing, packages, services, security and users. We will come into these sessions later on some other video. Thank you.